Hi everyone, my name is Lydia Analapo from AS1201B. I am a student of Uitm Cawangan Sarawak, Campus 2, Kota Samarahan. Today, I will present on cobalt element. First of all, do you guys know how cobalt look like? So here is some pictures of cobalt. Cobalt lies with the transition matter on the periodic table. The atomic number of cobalt is 27 with mass of 58.933. Cobalt was first discovered in 1735 by George Brandt in Stockholm, Sweden. The word cobalt is from the German word Cobalt, which means goblin or evil spirit. This term was used by the miner that was really difficult to mine and harmful to the miner health. Cobalt is a sturdy, gray metal which resembles iron and nickel. Although cobalt is ductile, it is also somewhat malleable. Ductile means the metal ability to be drawn into thin wires. Meanwhile, malleable means is the ability of being hammered into thin sheets. Next to nickel and irons, cobalt is one of the three naturally occurring magnetic metals. Cobalt melting point is 1495 degrees Celsius with a boiling point of 2870 degrees Celsius, and the density is 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter. Cobalt is somehow of a reactive element. It's combined with oxygen in the air but does not catch on fire and burn unless it is in powder form. Cobalt has ability to react with most acid to produce hydrogen gas. However, cobalt doesn't react with water that is at room temperature. Now, we're moving on electronic configurations of cobalt element. Electronic configurations of cobalt element is as shown here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d7. It also can be written as Ar, 4s2, 3d7, where Ar is a argon from group 18 of noble gases. From the electronic configuration, we will know the locations of the cobalt in the periodic table. Cobalt is located at period 4 and group 9 at transition element. What is the type of chemical bond cobalt have? As I mentioned before, cobalt is a transition metal, so it can't be covalent bond, but it is ionic bond, which is the bond between non-metal and metal. Cobalt is a transition element, so it forms cobalt 2 ions and also cobalt 3 ions. Here we go. We will discuss about specific daily life or industrial applications of cobalt elements. Cobalt's most important applications is the production of superalloy. Superalloy consists of iron, cobalt, nickel, chromium, tungsten, aluminum, and titanium. Superalloy doesn't rust and retain their physical and chemical property at high temperatures. Superalloy are commonly used in airplane parts such as jet engine compartment and gas turbine. Cobalt also a trace mineral that the human body needs in only small amount. When trace metals are absent in a diet, this leads to health problems. Animals use trace mineral to make essential enzyme which functions as catalysts. Enzymes are needed for living cells to function properly. For example, cobalt is needed for a natural production of B12 vitamins. The B12 vitamins ensure that enough red blood cells are produced in human body. Last but not least, Cobalt 60 is used medically for radiation therapy as implant and as an external source of radiation exposure, which is gamma radiations. Cobalt 60 can be swallowed with food or inhaled in dust. Once in the body, some of it quickly eliminated in the feces. The rest is absorbed into the blood and tissue, mainly the liver, kidney, and bone. This cobalt, which is cobalt 60, leaves the body slowly, mainly in the urine. So that's all from me. Thank you.